Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, boomers and retirees, please listen up. I want to talk to you very seriously about the importance of protecting your retirement savings from being sideswiped by socialism. Margaret Thatcher said it best when she said, with socialism, eventually you run out of other people's money. And what's happening, although we're supportive of the things that got pushed through and pounded through with this $1.9 trillion stimulus, of the very minimal things, although significant, as minimal as they may have been, that are supporting the vaccines and they are supporting people getting back to work. We're all for that. It's all the other stuff, the museums, the bridge, the train, the income, right, stimulus being paid to illegal aliens, the income being paid to people that are incarcerated. People don't pay taxes in jail, folks. And then waiving the tax on the first roughly $10,000 of unemployment benefits. As Senator Portman said, let me get this straight. So the person not working avoids paying tax on up to $10,200 of their unemployment benefits, but the person that's working has to pay tax on their first $10,200 of income? How does that work? Well, folks, I want to teach you, if you can imagine, if that's the direction we're going, and this is one of two bills that's about to pass, and Biden said it right out of the gate as he came into office, he's committing to $11 trillion of spending over the next 10 years, and I think that's going to be small fry compared to what ends up getting spent. And somebody is going to have to pay for it. So I want to teach you there's things you can do, and I've actually updated a fresh new educational webinar on what's going on and what is still available, why the tax benefits, one of which I want to teach you, especially those of you that have a net worth of $1 million or more, excluding your primary home's equity, about a little unknown tax deduction that many of you have said, I didn't even know this existed, that allows up to a 100% tax deduction. But many people feel that if that doesn't get done, this may be the last year in 2021. And I want to teach you that. And I'm going to give you an example of a couple clients of ours out of Chicago, Illinois. And this is just exactly what we see on a routine basis. These clients were not only concerned about the administration and the direction of the country, very concerned, in fact, terrified of taxes. Said, Chuck, we're just getting killed in taxes. And so by looking at their hidden wealth and teaching them how to discover and uncover it, we were able to help them actually stop his required minimum distributions. Now, she hasn't gotten to the point of required minimum distribution age, but they had just retired. And this required minimum distribution was triggering taxing up to 85% of their Social Security. So we used the deduction that allows 100% deduction to offset the Roth conversion of the remainder of both of their IRAs. And they paid zero tax to Roth convert. Now watch this. On top of that, because now their income is entirely tax-free, there's no tax to their Social Security. That saves them over $8,400 a year of Social Security tax. And we help them create a $30,000 plus lifetime tax-free income. Folks, I want to teach you that, imagine more financial success, literally becoming a tax-free retiree, or at least a drastically reduced of taxes retiree, and I want to teach you how. Let's get to work. Imagine more financial success, less stress, less worry, more financial peace of mind. Go to retirementprotected.com, that's retirementprotected.com, and register. It's a complimentary log on to learn educational webinar. And the time to get your money protected and not protected from being sideswiped by socialism and getting that done is in 2021, folks. You've worked hard for your money. Let us teach you how you can make your money work harder for you by avoiding being sideswiped by socialism. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.